It's Thredup Thursday. That's right, you guys. Here on Stina Resells, we have Thredup Thursday, and that means we will be opening a Thredup Rescue Box. Today's Rescue Box is going to be the Namebrand Handbag Box. I don't do these super often, but lately I feel like the ones I've opened have been pretty good. So when they go on sale, I pick one up and I open it for you guys. So that's what we're going to be opening today. I was going to be doing a designer box, but you guys, I forgot. I'm going to be part of a collab in October. There's going to be a DIY designer box collab. Sherry over at Single Mom Review is hosting that, and I am going to be kicking us off that day. So I'm saving that box for that collab. So today we're going to be doing some handbags. Now, I'm not offering up additional handbags for sale in this video like I do sometimes. However, on Tuesday, I will be doing a thrift haul and jewelry sale, and I have some amazing bags in that sale, you guys. Normally I don't find bags that are priced low enough for me to pick up at my local thrift. They price them way up. However, I have picked up some great bags lately, like B. Makowski, Coach, Kate Spade, and Taos. Yeah, I have a Taos sling bag for sale, you guys. It is amazing. And a Taos wallet. So make sure you tune in for Tuesday. In addition, I will be having a jewelry sale, and I will be having some amazing pieces in that sale as well. I'll be having, of course, some costume, some sterling, some gemstones. And you guys, this necklace that I'm wearing will be for sale. This is a gorgeous coral and gemstone necklace. I'm not really sure what this stone is. It's going up into all the first lines on the proscenium. So not 100% sure, but you've got gemstones and then these like bronze faceted beads. I mean, it's gorgeous. I was feeling very fall today, okay, because I took the dogs for a walk. It's nice and cool in the morning here in Texas. And so I thought, well, let's go a little fall today. I may have to top this fit off with a pumpkin spice latte. Although y'all, Starbucks also has a pumpkin spice matcha and a pumpkin spice chai. So whatever I think I feel like, I'm going to be able to get today. So anyways, I have on a thrifted sweater dress. It's super cute. I picked this up at my local thrift. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it. It comes, I don't know, about mid-thigh, and it's adorable, you guys. It's actually new with tags. It looks like maybe a boutique sold it, and the tag on the inside said it was made in Italy. So I thought, well, I feel like I need that. So I'm wearing this today with, of course, my jean jacket because I'm a little chilly. And I feel like we're ready to go. I have a few coral stretch bracelets on, and I'm just feeling very festive. So let's get into this box, you guys. This box I ordered on September 2nd, so super recent. And the box is $100 plus shipping and plus tax, which normally comes to about $120 for me. This one I think I bought on sale, so if I can find my receipt, I will make sure to let you guys know what I paid for it. It contains 4 name brand handbags and 1 accessory. If you are new here, well, first of all, welcome. I do sell for my YouTube videos. So if you see a bag in this box that you want to purchase, you just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do all my invoicing through PayPal. I do $9 shipping on bags. I do kind of a flat rate, no matter how much you order. So sometimes, you know, I pay part of the shipping, and that's totally fine. It's a thank you for you guys purchasing from me. All right, so without further ado, y'all, let's look at some handbags. I love handbags so much, you guys. I have so many. I need to probably pare down my collection a little bit, but, you know, it's fun. All right, cut the tape. So I'm going to swing around, and let's do first peeks. Okay, so first of all, this box is like super heavy. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what's in here, but it's very heavy. So we'll see. All right, we got to rip the tissue. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this Kate Spade wallet that's on the top. You guys, look at that Kate Spade wallet that is right on the top. It has a butterfly on it, you guys. Oh, I love butterflies. That is adorable. Okay, I'm not really sure what else we have because it's all kind of blocked by the bags, but it looks like we have a black leather bag here. Not sure on the brand on that one. It looks like maybe we've got a Rebecca Minkoff over on that side. Maybe like an orange or a rust color bag here, which is also perfect for fall. So we'll see. We will get into this and to see what Thredup sent me. I'm going to take a thumbnail and I'll be right back. All right, so let's get into the box. Let's start with this Kate Spade wallet, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this wallet, you guys. This is awesome. Beautiful butterfly. You have a background that's in, I guess it's white. There is a little bit of staining here on the edging, and it looks like we do have a little bit of color transfer like on the corners. I don't know that that will come off. And a little bit of staining like right here on the edging. It does have this exterior pocket, and you guys look right here. It says catch me if you can. That is so cute. I love this. Okay, it is a zip around wallet. Okay, the zipper works great. Here's the interior. Interior is black with your Kate Spade here on the inside. And let's see, it says something on the print. There's some really sweet like words on the inside talking about New York. Like there's like a little story written in here, you guys. Like on the print. It's really cool. So not sure about that, but this is awesome, you guys. I bet this is going to comp out nicely. I will, of course, give a subscriber price and have that on the screen. All right, that's a great first item to start with. Super happy. All right, our next bag is actually a Kate Spade. So the black bag that was underneath is a Kate Spade. So let me pull the, oh, this is cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay. You guys, okay, well, first of all, the style of this bag's amazing. All right, it's in a black pebbled leather. All right, there's your Kate Spade logo here. You guys, look at this crossbody strap. The interior of it is a bright pink, and then you have these gorgeous flower embellishments on the outside of the strap. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, and look at the tassel on this. Okay, so we have a tassel. I'm like very excited about all the extras on this bag. Oh, this is sweet. Now, did this come on here? I don't see Kate Spade branding on the actual tassels, so I'm not sure. So when I look this up to comp it out, I will try to find out about that. This is adorable. So this hangs down here like that. Super sweet. Look at that strap, you guys. I love it. Okay, so this part, the front flap opens like this, has two magnetics. Look, that inside is striped with the hot pink. You have an interior zipper pocket right here, and then you have a slip pocket here. Beautiful, super clean. There is a little bit of color transfer here, just from folding down over the black pebbled leather. Then the back also has a snap closure, and you have your striped pocket back here. So I feel like this one just needs a good wipe down and like conditioning, but overall it's in really good condition. Corners, there's a little staining there, but it's not like, it's not wear to the black. It's just a little bit of staining. Oh my gosh, this bag's amazing. Okay, I'm going to comp this one out, and I will have a price on the screen for this one. That one is awesome, y'all. Okay, let's go for the other black bag in the box. I was guessing that maybe this is Rebecca Minkoff. It is. Here's your branding here. Okay, you have the signature clasp here. Wait, what's happening? The strap was like caught inside the closure. I fixed it. Okay, so you still have your leather tassels attached, which is amazing. You have your chain and leather strap. Beautiful and perfect crossbody bag. You guys, this one's awesome. It's in really good condition. I think I might even have Rebecca Minkoff in my sale on Tuesday. I can't remember. I have a lot, you guys. Okay, branding on the inside. You have a zipper pocket up here. You have card slots here. Beautiful condition on the interior. Corners and bottom look great. Again, an exterior pocket on the back. And that's amazing. You guys, this bag's awesome. I know Rebecca Minkoff doesn't always comp out for the best, but I think her bags are amazing. So this is a great one. A perfect, versatile crossbody bag. Price on the screen for this one. Yay. Love that. All right. Now we have the big orange bag. Let's see. We do have a little bit of like corner wear here so that some of the color losses. Oh, you guys. Hello. We have a Dooney. This bag is gorgeous. First of all, the pebbled leather on this bag feels amazing. Okay. Now, if you want me to, if you buy this bag and you want me to touch this up, let me know. Okay. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to look 100%, but I can make it look a little bit better if you're interested. But you got to let me know if you buy this bag, if you want me to or not, or if you want it as is. Okay. There's the bottom of the bag. Aside from the corner wear on this bag, it's amazing. The leather is great. You guys look at the beautiful patina on this leather. Oh, I love it. I love the buckle straps. Here's your interior. You have your Dooney branding. You have a zipper pocket, a slip pocket, the large interior zip pocket, which is awesome. Okay, more slip pockets on this side, and then you have your attachment for keys, wristlet, whatever. You guys, this bag, I'm shocked that they didn't put this in the new Dooney box. This bag's amazing. I absolutely love it. I bet this is going to comp out great. So I will look this up and have a price on the screen for this one. Wow, you guys, this box is awesome. Okay, so we've done 3 bags and a wallet. We have 1 bag left. Oh, you guys. Look how adorable this bag is. This is awesome. Okay, let's see. We've got, this is so cute. You guys, look at the bottom of this bag. The little feet are little seashells. This is a canvas bag, okay? It is beautiful. And it's got a woman walking on the beach. Someone who lives on the coast, like, needs this bag. This would be a great beach bag, a great vacation bag. And you guys, look at the hardware that's attached to this. You have the seashell and you have your branding. You guys know what that is? We have a Brighton bag, you guys. And then look at the hardware here. The back has a little seashell, a zipper pocket, and almost like a beautiful, like, spotted or polka dotted interior. This is a gorgeous bag. You have your branding here, okay? Interior zipper pocket. I'm not showing this very well. Interior zipper pocket, okay? Then you have 2 slip pockets here, another zipper pocket. You guys, look how cute this little attachment is. It's got a heart, and then the little holder here that you can attach keys, or like I said, like a wristlet or something too. This bag is absolutely adorable. Love this one. I will, of course, comp this one out, and I'll have a price on the screen for this one. That is awesome. You guys, this was a great box. Like, I'm very happy with this. You know, in the past, I always wanted to get like a Tory or something like that in one of these boxes, which of course, you know, listen, I would still love a Tory. But this box for me hit all the marks, okay? We got a really cool and interesting Brighton bag. This looks totally vintage to me. A vintage Dooney in beautiful shape except for those corners. A very versatile, I know people don't really like reselling Rebecca Minkoff. I do. In fact, I just sold one on eBay yesterday. Gorgeous bag, and I love her bags anyway. And y'all, this Kate Spade is so cute. That strap is everything. And then you guys, could it be even more perfect with a butterfly Kate Spade wallet? I don't think so. So let me know what you guys think of the box, and make sure to come back Tuesday for my thrift haul and jewelry sale. And then next Thursday will be a Thredup fun box, which are arguably my favorite boxes to open. And if you enjoyed the video, on your way out, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And y'all, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join me. Have a great weekend. And until Tuesday, bye y'all.